What's up, guys? We are starting on a new segment of the RZR already. Okay, I jumped right into buying some accessories. Obviously these things have a lot going on with them, but there's a lot that they don't have, namely the windshield, a nice cooler for the back, and on this particular one I got the premium, but I got the non-ride command, so it doesn't have all of the radio stuff in it. I did that on purpose because I'm not a fan of the layout of them, and I am doing this ecoxgear 500 watt. It had some really good reviews on Amazon. I was going back and forth between Powerbase and a couple others, but this one stood out for a couple reasons. I'll show you why when I get it installed, but I didn't do a full unboxing, nothing fancy. It comes with these side brackets that have these actually bolt on to the end of the tube here, and then it has these clamps with some little rubber inserts to save your tube work, and then it just clamps on the end. It's actually super simple, and I think it'll be super solid. So I'm going to get it installed here, run the wires, and then I'll give you guys a little review of what it sounds like and everything. We got the soundbar put up and the wires are ran down the tube here. On these there's no good spot, I guess you'd say, to run these, so I am just running into a frame ground here, and I'm going to be testing this off the main. Sorry, the lighting's not very good. Off the main battery lug right here and the fuse box. So I'm just testing this all out. I'll power everything on. If so, I'll run everything underneath the console here and hopefully work out for us. Alright guys, probably can't hear me very good, but this is a little bit of a rundown of the ecoxgear 500 watt system. It's kind of cool. I have the volume down like almost all the way right now, but you have your LEDs that you can change in the front. Change different colors, and then you can change it to go with the music. I believe that's that one there. But anyways, so you have all that, you shut that off. And then it's also cool, you have your lights in the back. So that way, you've got your red light, your chase light, just your regular LED for like getting in your cooler and stuff. So that's pretty sweet. So you got all the lighting as well as the sound. So you can't go wrong with that. But here it is, guys. Soundbar in there, got it all routed nicely, tucked behind there, run to the main power block. So that's in there, you guys just saw. And then tonight I am going to be doing the RPM blow-off valve and the kemi moto rear view mirror, just so we can see behind us a little better. This thing's like a bus trying to drive the thing, and without some sort of mirror I cannot be sitting in this thing and turn around, because it's kind of, as they call it, stadium seating or theater seating or whatever. So like these rear seats are actually at eye level, so you can't see behind yourself very well at all. So we're going to get that rear view mirror put in so we can see behind us. Alright guys, we got the Kemi Moto stock replacement rear view mirror. It is supposed to be the same spec as the factory Polaris mirror. The only difference is this rear holder and the way it mounts. So Comes with that. Got a couple screws, tools, and the actual mount. So we're gonna see what it's all about, get it mounted up, and see how we like it. Next thing we're gonna be looking at tonight is gonna be the blow-off valve from RPM Power Sports. Saw some good reviews. I got this off Amazon, as well as that mirror I was just talking about. Comes with an aluminum bodied blow-off valve. Got your filter, your sock, your plug if you so wish, extra tubing to run for the valve itself, and then like a little rebuild kit it comes with. It looks pretty straightforward. I did just take this valve apart, and for anyone that does buy one of these, make sure you take the cap off here and inspect it. There's actually a bunch of metal shavings from the machining that they did on it, so I cleaned those out before we install it. Hopefully saved it from a early demise. But yeah, we got the mirror, got this. We're gonna go get them put on and show you guys what they look like and how they sound when they're all done. Okay, we got the bracket attached. It just takes one bolt that goes into the mirror stud itself, and then this just goes up here. It installs with 2 Allen heads, and they give you the tools to do it even. So we're about to do that. See how it looks. Got it all installed. Of course, you gotta take the satisfying sticker peel and put that on YouTube. Okay, for anybody that's done this, you already know what I'm talking about when I say there's not much room with your charge tubes and stuff. So, way I found best here, just take the rear lid out and get in there. You gotta pretty much pry off the old clamps and stuff, but once you do that, I got the old one out already. This is a stock one, brand new, looks great, but do away with that. Got the RPM one put on. Obviously you switch the way that it goes on because you'll be releasing the pressure atmosphere now and blocking off the tube, so you get that sweet wah-choo sound. And yeah, so I'm gonna button this up, get all the hoses put back on, tightened, and then we'll give you a little run in action, show you what it sounds like. There it is, guys. Got the blow-off valve installed. That was not a hard job at all. If anyone's, contemplating doing it, it doesn't take much thought. Just some basic tools. On this model anyways, I know I've done it on regular turbos. You don't have to take it out, but it makes it a lot easier. Just take the rear bed out, and then you got all the room in the world to work under there to get it in there. So we got the blow-off installed so far. We've got the light bars slash soundbar, which I love the most about that. And then we also got our rear view mirror put in. And then tomorrow we're supposed to be getting our flip up windshield. We'll get that installed, and that'll wrap it up for this week. So hang on tight here and we'll get that windshield put on. All right, we're back at it again, guys. We got the Super ATV flip up windshield. I am putting it together now. I'm not going to do much on it. It's all play-by-play instructions. I got the seals put on. You just pop them on there, cut them, trim to fit. And now we're about to start putting brackets on. Like I said, it's all kind of in the instructions. Their instructions are okay. They could get a little better. But anyways, that's what we're doing. And I'll... Alright guys, I didn't video much of putting the windshield on. It ended up being kind of a pain because I had actually the wrong brackets for this. So I kind of made some stuff work. but got it all set up now. Super ATV flip out, comes up, or you can have it quarter of the way open. So got that all wrapped up. So we are going to be waiting an arrival of a special part once we get to, well, parts, or an addition, shall I say, to the RZR. When we get to Kentucky this coming weekend, that we will be putting on the RZR when we get there, if that tells you anything. So anyways, hopefully this is a cool little segment with the new RZR, getting the new accessories put on. So far I like this thing. It's nice to have both ways of wheeling, you know. You can go fast, you can go slow. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy this video of me putting this together so far, and I'll have a little bit more as time goes on. But please like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.